Lovely. So I've got my MyNV box for this month. Looking at this leaf, does it remind you of something? It reminds me of Mohabbatein film, to be very honest. And I love this leaf. I wish we had it in India. So we've got the theme as usual is great and lovely as always. Let me see what's inside the box. Okay, the box is fully loaded. Things are just falling down. So let me start first with the first product which is falling down, which is the first product is a foot hydration socks from Luxaderm, New York, and it's one pair of socks containing shea butter, aloe vera, and thyme. What you need to do is just wear this, keep it for some time, 15-20 minutes, remove the socks, then let the serum seep in through your skin. Just massage the remaining serum, and you're good to go. In winters, you need this product. Because especially your feet, they are the most ignored part of your body, and in winters they tend to be more dry. So this will give you the added moisturization. So the first, it's a full size product. Then I have the info card. I've got two vouchers. So the first one is from Label Kiss, and it's valid on a minimum purchase of 2000 till 15 Jan. It's a 500 discount coupon code. And the second one is from the Label Life. Okay, again a 500 rupees discount coupon code. These are the products inside. We have a lot of goodies this month. So let me pick up first. This is the Chronocare Normal to Dry Skin Urge Moisturizing Face Cream. So again, perfect for the winter season. So it is free of, Chronocare products are free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, silicone, and added fragrance. Ice product containing beetroot extracts. Okay, a small quantity. This is how the product looks after I've massaged it in my skin. It gets fully absorbed. There's nothing on my skin. Good for the winter. This product I have is from Cocoon. I had tried their face serum, I think 2-3 months back. All in one smart cream, BB plus CC plus photo defense. And again, it's with organic products. That's Kakaru plum extract. It has SPF 30. Used under makeup, and you can use it daily just as it is, and it is suitable for most of the skin types. You can wear it, you can wear makeup on top of this, so you can use this instead of your foundation. Third is this product, a small cute little box from Tijori. It's basically a hair strengthening pack containing amla, rita, and shikakai. Again, this is a full size product. It has the hair pack. There is a small spatula, with which you can take the product. First, leave your hair open, untangle them, make a paste out of this. What you could do is you could make a paste with coconut milk, or you could use egg, or you could just use water, and take single strands of your hair and massage it in your hair like this. 25 minutes and wash off with cold water. In case you feel any sensation, itching sensation, then you just remove it immediately. So I've got like this two sample sizes, each has 20 gram of the product. They've launched this product with MyNV box, which from Alana. It's a desiccated coconut saffron body and face scrub. Again, all natural ingredients. Saffron will give you that brightness, and coconut will help you scrub out all the dead skin. And the full size product, the bottle comes as 50 gram, and they've given you almost a full size product because it's 20 gram each, so 40 gram of the product in the box. And smells, there's no added fragrance, it's just the fragrance of the natural products which is there in the bottle. I have these two sample products from Sear Secrets. It's the lemongrass tea, green tea. It's basically a sample size, and you can use it for about 8 glasses of tea. So each bottle can help you make 4 glasses of tea. Oh, okay. it's just awesome. The smell of the lemongrass is so strong, it's so nice. It's very soothing. I'm sure when I make green tea of this, it will be yummy and very soothing. So in winters, you already feel like having something warm. So this goes along with it. All my products which I've got like one, two, three, four completely full size products. This is the fifth one. This is as good as full size because the full size is 50 gram and this is 40 gram. And I've got one small sample size product from Sear Secrets, and the smell is just great. I mean, I can still smell the lemongrass in my mind. So pretty happy, and it's like a complete skincare kit for the winter season because you have a BB cream, so you no need of wearing a foundation. You can just wear this and go for your daily wear. Just use this as your base makeup. You have a moisturizing face cream, perfect, just what you need for the winters. Plus you have something for the hair. Plus you have something for your feet, which you tend to ignore. You have something to sip on. You have something for your body. I mean, you have a face and body scrub. I think the complete My Envy box has taken care that they send you the complete skincare kit for winter this month. I'm pretty happy and pretty satisfied with the products. The products look real good this month. Watching and keep subscribed to my channel. Click on the bell notification for the newly uploaded videos. Thank you.